For the function q, the value of q of x decreases by 45% for every increase in the value of x by 1. If q of 0 equals 14, which equation defines q? First, I'm going to highlight the question. So if q of 0 is 14, which equation defines q? Then what we also know is the value of q of x decreases by 45% for every increase in the value of x by 1. So now we've defined our equation. So we know the form of an exponential equation is y equals a times b of x, where a is the starting value, and we are given the starting value at x equals 0 is 14. So our a should be 14 in this case, which should leave out b and a. Now we're left between c and d. Now going back to the question, it says that q of x decreases by 45%. So our b, that's our growth factor, that is our growth factor, our growth factor. So the more we substitute x, the lower our overall value becomes. So we see for c, the growth factor is 55%. So whenever we exponentiate a decimal, we know that our overall value will get smaller. So the best answer in this case would be C. Now the reason why it would not be D is because our growth factor is greater than 1. So when we exponentiate a number that's greater than 1, the overall value would get bigger. However, q of x is decreasing. So that's why C would be the best answer.